Good morning students. Let's start our session today. Today onwards we are going to revise our portion so that we are going to conduct the exam for next week. So here I am going to give you revision from unit 1. From this first unit there is a poem. Poem name is Wake Up. Now let's read the poem. Wake up, it's a lovely day. Oh, please get up and come and play. The birds are singing in the trees, and you can hear the buzzing bees. We'll go for the second stanza. Wake up, it's a lovely day. Oh, please get up and come and play. It's much too late to lie in bed, so hurry up, you sleepy head. Wash and dress and come on out. Everyone is up and about. The cow, the horses, the ducks and the sheep, the tiny chicken, cheep, cheep, cheep. Wake up. Okay, the Wake Up poem is written by C. Fletcher. Okay, now I am going to explain this poem. Here in this first stanza, the poet is telling us to wake up because the little child is, when they are sleeping, the poet is telling that the birds are wake up, they are singing in the trees, and bees also wake up, so they are making buzzing sound. And in this second stanza, here the poet is telling to the child to wake up because it's too late, because still he is on the bed. So that's why the poet is telling him to wake up. And do you know the meaning of sleepyhead? Sleepyhead means still he isn't sleepy. So sleepyhead means lazy. Okay. Now we will move for the third stanza. Wash and dress and come on out. Everyone is up and about. Here the poet is telling the child to take bath and dress up themselves, and the poet is telling that all creatures like cow, horse, ducks, sheep and chicks, everyone wake up already, but still he is sleeping. So that the poet is telling that all creatures are already awake. Do you know who awake already? Birds, animals, bees, horses, cows, ducks, sheep and chickens, right? Yes, but still the boy is sleeping. The poet is telling him to come outside to play, and he's telling that wonderful things are waiting for you outside, just go and play with them. Like that the poet is telling to the child. Now we will go for the new words. Lovely, buzzing, sleepyhead and tiniest. Here the meaning of lovely is beautiful, buzzing, the sound of bee, when the sound is making the sound, that is buzzing. And sleepyhead, the meaning of sleeping head is tiniest, sleep, lazy. And the meaning of tiniest is very small. Now I am going to ask you about rhyming word. Okay children, do you remember what is rhyming word? Rhyming word I already told you in the earlier sessions. So rhyming word is nothing but one or two word sound ends with the same sound is known as rhyming word. See here in this first stanza, the second line, a lovely day, right? The day, that is a word, and in that fourth line also there is a word play. See, day and play, you can pronounce the sound, end sound is same, right? That is rhyming word. Likewise, In this poem, there is more rhyming words are there. See in this last stanza, sheep and cheap. So these also rhyming word. You can find many words like this. Okay. Now we'll go for the book back questions and the exercise. See here, there are three questions. What do you think birds say to each other in the morning? Yes, because the birds are making sound so that all are here. We'll go for the next question. Who are already awake? In this poem, who are already wake up? Do you know? The horse, duck, cows, the tiny chicken, and birds and buzzing bees. Right? Yes. Which creatures wake up in the morning before the child does? See, there is a buzzing bees and birds are singing in the tree. Are you here? See here, the poet is telling what he is telling. The birds are singing in the trees and the bees are buzzing. So, that's for that third question answer is the birds and bees are awake before the child does. Right? Okay, children, you just read the poem and read about the question and the rhyming words and new words and their meaning also. Here, I'll tell you that meaning again. I'll summarize all these. Lovely, buzzing, sleepyhead, and tiniest. Lovely means beautiful, and buzzing, the meaning of buzzing is sounds of bee, and sleepyhead, meaning of sleepyhead is lazy, and tiniest, meaning of tiniest is very small. Okay, and prepare these three questions also, and I'll tell you the answer again. You just listen and write. The first question, what do you think birds say each other in the morning? Yes, because the birds are making sounds to same way they are telling good morning, right? Yes, in the second question, who are awake already? The birds and bees are already awake. Which creatures wake up in the morning before the child does? That's third question. The answer for the third question is birds and bees are awake already. The child wake. Okay, children, prepare for your test also for the next week on Thursday. And today I have a worksheet and send it to you. Complete the worksheet. Send it to the English Naps WhatsApp group between 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Thank you. See you in the next class.